Space The Last Mission. It's an application that you normally have to download and pay $2.99 on the Google Play Store, but the developer is giving us here at XDA a free version to be able to check out. So this is TK, this is XDA Developers TV. Let's check it out. The application is very simple. Go ahead and directly into the XDA thread. This is the XDA Labs application. Just go through it, download the application directly. It's the first link. Also, you have the ability of going directly into the Play Store to download the full version. I think that one's at $2.99. But again, if you want to support the developer, definitely very nice. The one on the Play Store does have some functionalities that are missing from ours, but ours will have some beta functionalities for testing. And current version of the application is only compatible with Cardboard, and that's why we have this one. It is going to have some compatibility with the Samsung Gear VR in the near future. So once you install the application, it's no different than any other one. You go directly into your your application drawer, launch the application, and give it a few seconds. If you're running a Samsung, this in the situation as the S7 Edge, you do notice that the Game Center is definitely supported, and you're able to use it if you want to. By default, it's launched directly into split mode, which is what you normally would want to be able to use. I'm using it here mostly just to show you guys kind of the experience, and this is where it kind of gets very wonky. I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to this one. You can see that you're moving, and it is basically using the gyroscope. You're able to control it using either a gamepad or using your head mount. So the easy insertion here, you take the unit itself, you open up the Cardboard, whatever version of Cardboard that you have. This one, I think it's called I Am Cardboard. I bought it for about maybe 15 bucks, mostly because it's easy, it's functional, and it's very simple. Plug in the unit itself directly into it and close it. Very, very simple, and you can also hear the audio. So it works good. We do have a button here that we're able to trigger, not necessarily used, and then you're able to basically mount it to your head and be able to play. And as we're starting, we're directly, it's almost like a hyperloop or some kind of a warp space, and we're flying, and we see other mission. And so by default, it starts shooting directly. You're able to shoot. And then you're shooting basically at the different spaceships. There's an indicator in the middle, in the crosshairs, that gives you access to see basically what's coming up. And there's going to be an online version where you're able to, here it is. And once the mission is done, we just hyperlapse over onto another mission. And then gives us a score, the time, and a new set of enemies to be able to destroy. As you guys saw with the hands-on with the gameplay, it's very, very nice. Sorry for the split screen. That was about the only way I can share with you guys the gameplay. It's simple, it's addictive, it's free, and you're able to play it on almost any device that supports Cardboard, and Cardboard is pretty flexible. You do definitely need to have one of these guys to be able to experience it. If you have a Cardboard, it'll work fine. It's going to be coming to the Gear VR in the near future, so if you have Gear VR, which is basically one of the other things that the S7 Edge is compatible with, is the Gear VR. You're able to basically play it there. Game Center does work, but I found it a couple of times when I tried recording the screen using Game Center, which is the one that's built into the S7 Edge. It crashes on me, so I'm not sure why that happened. So I ended up using an unlimited screen recording application to share with you the gameplay. Again, like and subscribe as usual here to XDA. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. It's very nice to be able to get some applications like this free for us to be able to test out and provide feedback to the